I'm teacher Krupa, your maths teacher, with one more video on the chapter linear regression. As you all know, we have already finished till question number 8 of exercise 3.1. So today we'll be solving question number 9 and 10. So let's move on. See, question number 9 is, from the following data, obtain the equation of two regression lines. And they have given the values of x and y. Now here we have to obtain the equation of both the regression lines, that is equation of regression of y on x and of x on y. So let us make the tabular form first. So here I have copied the values of x and y, and also I have calculated summation xi and summation yi. So now first let us calculate the values of x bar and y bar. X bar is equal to summation xi upon n. Now over here from table, summation xi is equal to 30 and number of observation, that is n, is equal to 5. So we get x bar is equal to 6. 5 6 are 30. So we get x bar is equal to 6. Now we'll calculate y bar. Y bar is summation yi upon n, that is 40 upon 5. So you get 5 8s are 40. So y bar is equal to 8. Now using these values of x bar and y bar, we'll calculate the other columns of the table. So students, as you can see, I have calculated the value of summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar, which is equal to minus 26. Then summation x minus x bar the whole square is equal to 40, and summation y minus y bar the whole square is equal to 20. So now first let us find the equation of regression of y on x. Now as usual, first we'll calculate the value of byx. So byx is equal to summation xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar upon summation xi minus x bar the whole square. Now let us substitute the values from the table. So summation xi minus x bar into y minus y bar is minus 26 upon summation xi minus x bar square is 40. So this is equal to minus 0.65. You can check the calculations. Now we have to calculate A. A is equal to y bar minus byx into x bar. Now we know that y bar is equal to 8 minus byx we have calculated minus 0.65 into x bar, which is equal to 6. So this is equal to 8 minus minus will become plus, and 0.65 into 6, it is equal to 3.90. So we get A is equal to 11.9. This is the value of A. Now it's very simple. Equation of regression of y on x is y is equal to a plus byx into x. So let us substitute the values of a and byx. So we get y is equal to a is 11.9 minus 0.65 into x. So this is the required equation of regression of y on x. Now let us calculate the equation of regression of x on y. For that, first we'll find bxy. Now bxy is equal to summation xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar upon summation yi minus y bar the whole square. Now let us substitute the values from the table. Summation xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar is equal to minus 26 upon summation yi minus y bar the whole square is equal to 20. So minus 26 upon 20 is equal to minus 1.3. Then we'll find a dash. A dash is equal to x bar minus bxy into y bar. So x bar is 6 minus bxy is minus 1.3 into y bar. Y bar is 8. So this is equal to 6 minus minus will become plus 1.3 into 8 will be equal to 10.4. So your a dash is equal to 16.4. Right? Now equation of regression of x on y. We know that it is given as x is equal to a dash plus bxy into y. So that is equal to x is equal to a dash is 16.4 minus bxy is minus 1.3 into y. So this is a equation of regression of x on y. So this completes your question number 9. Let's move to question number 10. So question number 10 is, from the following data, find a regression line of y on x. They are given the values of x as 1, 2, 3 and the values of y is 2, 1 and 6. Hence, find the most likely value of y when x is equal to 4. So see students, over here we have to find the equation of regression of line of y on x. And also we have to find the value of y when x is equal to 4. So let's start with the solution. We'll first make the table as usual. I have calculated summation xi is 6 and summation yi is equal to 9. So let us first find value of x bar and y bar. So we know that x bar is equal to summation xi upon n. So from table summation xi is 6 and n is the number of observation, that is 3. So 6 upon 3, that is equal to 2. So we get x bar is equal to 2. Then we will calculate y bar. Y bar is equal to summation yi upon n. Now yi is 9. 9 upon 3, that is equal to 3. So y bar is equal to 3. So using the values of x bar and y bar, I have calculated summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar, that is equal to 4. And then summation x minus x bar the whole square is equal to 2. Now let us find the value of byx and the value of a. As you all know, byx is equal to summation xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar upon summation xi minus x bar the whole square. So from table we get summation xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar is equal to 4 and summation xi minus x bar the whole square is equal to 2. So byx is equal to 2. Then we'll calculate A. A is equal to y bar minus byx into x bar. So let us substitute the values. So we get y bar is 3 minus byx is 2 into x bar. X bar is 2. So we get 3 minus 4, that is equal to minus 1. Now it's very simple. We'll obtain the equation of regression of y on x. It is given as y is equal to a plus byx into x. So we get y is equal to a is minus 1 plus byx is 2x. So y is equal to minus 1 plus 2x is the equation of regression of y on x. Now we have to find the value when x is equal to 4. So let us substitute x is equal to 4 in this equation. Y is equal to minus 1 plus 2 into 4. That is equal to minus 1 plus 8. So y is equal to 7. So this is the answer that we get. Okay. So with this we finished question number 10. The last two sums we'll do in the next video. So students, thanks for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share my video. Thank you so much. God bless you and enjoy your day. Thanks once again.